if you think about our visions of the future of computing, right, they often come from sci-fi. And you know, we think of things like Terminator and Robocop and these heads-up displays and the kind of glasses that we wear that somehow allow us to get this stuff overlaid on our life, right? Google Glass is a real-world example of that. What we call augmented reality or AR. And there's an enormous amount of hype around this. I mean, only a couple of weeks ago in this very room, one of the most exciting things that Apple announced was the AR kit and AR. But the challenge in AR is that it still really heavily relies on our visual cortex. And as our experience with Google Glass and the term glass hole proved, that it still very much gets in the way of human-to-human interaction. But, you know, humans have been using our ears and our voice to communicate complex ideas far longer than we've been using our visual cortex and our sight. And I'm really interested in where that might take us. Now, these are probably the most well-known, but certainly not the only kinds of devices that I like to think of as the kind of Apple I or the TRS-80 or the early microcomputers of our age. Now, not just wireless headsets. They are really computers that we are already embedding in our body. And if you can imagine with Moore's law and Kumi's law of battery life in the next year or two and out into the next few years, how much smaller and more powerful they're going to be. We are literally going to be wearing them everywhere we go, every day as part of our life. I like to think of cochlear implants. Now, you know, tens, if not hundreds of thousands of people get these implanted into their lives every year. And I think that's a model of where these devices may well be going.